stop. If you're thinking about buying SEO Pilot, there's something you need to know first. Your website might already have 200 plus hidden SEO problems, and they're silently killing your rankings right now. And no matter how much content you post, you will not rank until you fix this. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete honest review of SEO Pilot, show you what it actually does, how it works, and whether this is a hidden gem, or just another overhyped SEO tool. Before we go deeper, if you decide to pick this up, make sure you grab it through the link in the description, because I'm giving away 2 powerful bonuses worth $1,000 plus that will help you actually get traffic and results, not just fix SEO. What is SEO Pilot? SEO Pilot is an all-in-one SEO audit plus auto-fix platform that scans your entire website, finds every issue hurting your rankings and fixes them in one click. No coding, no SEO knowledge, no hiring expensive agencies. You just connect your site, click Audit, and click Fix. That's it. Benefits, why people are interested. Here's why this tool is getting attention. Finds 100 to 300 hidden SEO issues per site, fixes issues instantly, instead of manual work, works with WordPress, Shopify, any website and helps you rank on Google and AI search engines. And this is important, in 2026, SEO is not just Google anymore. If your site is not technically optimized, AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity will ignore you. That's where this tool becomes powerful. Inside SEO Pilot, you're getting full SEO audit, 35 plus checks per page, Google Search Console integration, real-time dashboard, clicks, rankings, center, and page-level SEO analysis and keyword insights. And the main feature, one-click auto-fix system. It can fix things like missing meta tags, broken headings, canonical issues, image SEO and technical errors. Even better, you can bulk fix across multiple pages instantly. This alone saves hours of work. Now let's keep it real. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: beginner friendly, saves time massively, fixes issues automatically and works on multiple platforms. Cons: not a full backlink tool, you still need content strategy and advanced users may want more customization. But honestly, this is insanely valuable. What results you can expect? Better rankings, more organic traffic, improved site structure and higher chances of being picked by AI search. But let me be clear, this will not magically rank you overnight. It removes the blocks stopping your rankings, which is something most people ignore. Now let's talk about the real game changer. If you grab SEO Pilot through my link, you'll get these 2 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1: SEO Traffic Blueprint, worth $597. This shows you how to actually drive traffic after fixing your SEO, keyword strategy, content structure and ranking techniques. Because fixing SEO alone is not enough. Bonus 2: AI Content Plus Ranking System, worth $497. Learn how to create content that ranks on Google, ChatGPT and AI search engines. Step-by-step system to turn SEO into real traffic. Total bonus value: $1,000 plus free with your SEO Pilot purchase today. So, is SEO Pilot worth it? If you have a website and you're struggling with rankings and you don't understand technical SEO, then yes, this is absolutely worth it. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you literally have zero risk. So if you want it, click the link in the description, grab SEO Pilot at the lowest price and secure all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.